high. So I'm gonna put the ball on an ordinary thing going up. See what I mean? See, so the table is just ordinary straight, and there's a thing, an amp going up. Now what was gonna happen again? See? This goes up. You wanna see it again? One little second. Okay, so
That's you said.
let's try again.
That's you said. That's you said.
It's not working. Come on, little guy. You see that? That worked out so well. Woohoo!